Hi guys, in this video we are going to learn about how to create a program using random module. Okay, so random is a module which is used to create random numbers in our program. Okay, so for that first we are importing random module. Okay, and then I'm just going to keep on working on the same loop until the user press no. Okay, so for that purpose I'm just starting with while true, and in the previous programs we just used like found is equal to true, found is equal to false. You can even do like that, and this is another way. Directly after the while you can give true or false. Okay, this is another way of using true or false. And then here I'm just getting the input. Do you want to roll a dice, yes or no? And that input will be stored in C. Okay, as it is a string, we are not using integer or any other function here. Directly we are getting the input, and no is equal, that is another variable, is equal to random dot randint. Random is my module, randint is my function. What it will do, random integer, it will create a random integer number between 1 to 6. Okay, and whatever range you are giving, this is just like a for loop. Whatever range you are giving, like this is the starting value and this is the ending value, whatever range you are giving, this random function will create an integer number, only integer number between these two values. If C is equal to Y, if they press Y, your number is, just print the number, else break. Okay, and you can even bring this down after this, yes, this if loop, if condition. Okay, so that's all. This is a very simple program. Now let me run this program and show you how this program works. Okay, so do you want to roll a dice? Yes, so your number is 2. Again I'm pressing yes, I'm just pressing enter, I'm getting the output. Okay, again I'm pressing yes. Okay, now I'm pressing no, your program will get a break. Okay, so now as I said, let us change, as a dice has only 1 to 6, but between 1 to 6 we have given here. Now let us change the value here between 30 comma 100. Okay, so now I'm running this program once again. Do you want to roll a dice? Yes. See, now we are getting different numbers. Okay, so this is how your program work. It is a very easy program. So this is how your random integer function works, and you are based on this you will be getting many output based programs in your theory exam also. So this is how it works. Okay, hope it will help you to attend even your theory exam. Okay, we'll meet you in the other program. Thank you. Happy learning.